अरे छोड़िए उसको उसको छोड़िए ना। अब वो एक और भी वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है कि कुछ लोग वहां से जो उनको फंडिंग मिलती है बगल वाले देश से, वो उन्होंने किया धरना, पर उसको फिर फंडिंग नहीं हुई तो उन्होंने उन्हीं पे जाके उनके खिलाफ कर दी। देखिए ये किराए के टट्टू जो है ना, इनके डोंट टेक देम सीरियसली।
Kill Modi! Who's the terrorist? Indian government. 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 Who can ninja? Indian government. Who can ninja? Indian government. Who's the terrorist? Indian government. Who can ninja? Indian government. Kill Modi! Politics. Kill Modi! Politics. Kill Modi! Politics. Kill Modi! Politics! 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 Kill Modi!
देखिए, the Prime Minister's stature on the global scene, there are no two views on it. All right? He represents all the forces of diplomacy, peace, etc. And his voice, his counsel, his his calming thing is sought everywhere. He is on the way for the G7 summit. That in and of itself is a very important development. But on the way, he has already stopped in Cyprus. Cyprus is also important. The opposition वाले कह रहे किसी देश का साइज है क्या, 55 के देश की इंपॉर्टेंस कंट्री के लैंड एरिया से होता है। लैंड एरिया से होता हो तो इजराइल के जरा लैंड एरिया देखना कितना है, या और किसी की जनसंख्या से होता है। बड़े बड़े जनसंख्या लार्ज पॉपुलेशन वाले देश हैं। Cyprus is an important friend, an important ally, has been for a long time, and it is also assuming the presidency of the European Union next year. Equally, G7 में हमारे कनाडा के साथ bilateral issues हैं, उसके बारे आपको जानकारी होनी चाहिए. Those bilateral issues, I think the new government which has been elected there, it has given the right indication that they want to, walk back on some of the earlier developments. Or uske zyada, I think this should be enough for a comment. Then on the way back. Now look, it's very easy. You can do the journey in 15 hours, 16 hours, or you can stop and work all the way. And the Prime Minister, as most of you know, he works around the clock. So I commend him for that effort.